My gift ideas for 2018. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today I'm going to give you some gift ideas for that baker, that special person in your life, and I think you're going to love them. One of the first things I can tell you that I really suggest if you know somebody who bakes is a KitchenAid mixer. Oh yeah, I use my KitchenAid mixer all the time. You've seen it in all the videos and everything. I can honestly say it's one of the best things that I have ever gotten, and I got that as a Christmas gift along with my Breadmaker. Now you'll notice that there are links down in the description which will take you to my Amazon affiliate site, which will then tell you, all the different things that I have. But my Breadmaker, you've seen me use this multiple times for multiple things, and I'm going to be using it more come in the next year because there are so many different settings. Everything from, your normal whole wheat and white bread to things like jam. I use the jam setting to make my mocha syrups. It is so good and so easy, but I'm also going to start making pasta and all sorts of different things. Love my Breadmaker, use it all the time, and I highly recommend it. I think the person in your life would absolutely love it. You can also check out my ingredients list. My ingredients is one of those things where you could buy a whole bunch of these and give them to that special person who's a baker because they're not just your normal everyday ingredients. They're everything from the black chocolate powder that I use to sea salt, raw sugar. These are just ingredients which it's just fun to have, and they're special things that people don't always buy because a lot of people just stick with the normal plain processed sugar and flour, and these are more special ingredients and fun things like that. Good baking sheets are one of the most important things that you're going to have. If you can get somebody some really great baking sheets, they will love you. Simply because, it really is hard to find good baking sheets. I know I use mine all the time, love them, and I also use the silicone pads that go with it. It is so much fun to be able to just scrape some cookies off the pan without having to dig around and everything. They just slide off, and it's just so good and so wonderful. I love my silicone pads. I use them all the time, use them for everything, and they're just great. Here's an interesting one for those of you who have somebody who wants to do vlogging, make videos. Daylight bulbs. I know some of you are saying, well, that's not that big of a deal. Yes it is. Trust me. Here are a couple scenes that you're going to see. When you look around my house, you will notice that if I have a lamp on, it really turns orange or gold, doesn't it? But when I have the lamp off, it looks like I have regular daylight. If you've seen any of my other videos, you will know that my house really is dark. I mean super dark. I complain about this all the time. But with daylight bulbs, you can then have that daylight feel, that daylight look in your house all the time, simply by turning them on. It does really look like daylight, and I recommend this. And if you get the LED daylight bulbs, you can also save money. So who doesn't want to save money? But if you know somebody who is doing video, they will thank you for this because guess what? Color correction is hard to do. It really is. Now also, if you know somebody who does video or photography, the Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Elements, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Photoshop Elements, those are really good gifts. I highly recommend them. I hope you've enjoyed these Christmas gift ideas. Let me know down in the comments what you think about them, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.